It's time once again for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorney Greg Fellerman and Corey Suda with us today. So nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Haley.
Corey's here. You're
nice
never here.
I know it's been a while.
This is wonderful.
He's been running all over the state. He's working in Philly, Allentown. He's busy. We keep him running. Does a great job.
You guys are always busy, and you're always helping our viewers with that free legal advice you get on The Law and You. So let's get to it today. This question comes from Jamie in Pottsville. Jamie says, my daughter was struck by a vehicle while crossing the road. The police said it was her fault. Is there anything we can do? All right, Corey, why don't you start us off?
This happens far too often. We have a bunch of cases very similar to this. Simply because the police state that it is your daughter's fault is not completely accurate. What you want to do, though, is to get a lawyer involved as soon as possible, because there's critical evidence that your attorney could get in order to determine that it wasn't her fault. Such as video cameras, surveillance footage, stuff like that. You need to get your attorney out to the scene as soon as possible to review that information to see if it was her fault or if you have a case against somebody else.
Well, and we just had a case come in like this where we got a call and the girl was crossing the road. She gets hit by a car, and immediately they're put on the defensive, like saying, "Oh, it's your fault." She's standing clearly in the middle of the road, and a car comes by and hits him. We always take the position, you can't hit people standing in the middle of the road. A driver of a car has a duty and obligation to know what's in front of them and be safe. So a lot of times, even the police sometimes make this mistake and try to make it about the pedestrian, where really they're not. And again, they're not in a crosswalk, but we've successfully litigated a bunch of these cases where the pedestrian's been in the road. So if you have a question or a case like this, please give us a call. Corey's 100% right on getting out there quickly, and we can do a great job for you.
If you learned anything today, just don't hit people with your car.
That's it.
Exactly.
There you go.
Easy enough.
It's a great way not to get sued.
Absolutely. Guys, thank you so much for your time. We'll see you soon. If you have some more questions, go to pahomepage.com.